In this video, I will be taking you through the steps involved with doing plate scans on the Odyssey DLx or CLX. So with the LI-COR Acquisition Software open, go ahead and click on Scan. Select your username and select your instruments. Now, most likely there will just be a single instrument listed on this list. Click Connect, and then click Multi-Well Plate Scan. And so you have two options here. You have either the in-cell Western or cell analysis, and that has to do with how it is imported into Imperia. So just for demonstration, I'm going to click on the in-cell Western right here, and you click and drag your area to accommodate the size of your plate. Now, if you have more than one plate, you would just draw a separate area on here. Now, just to save a little bit of time during this video, I'm going to shrink this size down right here. You can also edit the scan area, so you can manually enter those values if you would like. And click Save. Click the Next button, and then choose which channels you want to use. If you are doing, say you have the cell tag 700 for normalization and your target in the 800, you would just select both channels at this point. Click Save, and then choose whether you're doing a 96 or 384 well format. You will also need to choose your focus offset. For most 96 well plates, that measurement will be between 3 to 4 millimeters, but that is something that will have to be optimized. And then you can choose either between 84 or 169 microns, and then you click Scan. Now, while it is initializing, it'll say that right up here, and then once the scan is started, it will give you an estimated time remaining. If at any point during the scan you notice that the parameters are not set correctly or you've scanned enough of the plate, you can go ahead and click Stop Scan at that point. And so we see that the image is coming up while it's scanning. And so once this has completed, we'll have the option to either export to analyze in Imperia, or you can also do an export for publishing or presentation. The export to analyze, if you have more than one acquisition or more than one plate that you've scanned and you want to export them together, you just leave that checked or uncheck that if you want to do them individually. And then you transfer those files to your own computer for analyzing using Imperia. If you have more plates that you need to scan, just go ahead and click Start New, or if you have completed everything, just go ahead and click Leave at that point.